Oh yeah, guys. Nice fish. Just came by here on the way to start the video. Oh, he's nice too. Just reeling that right past, right past that tree or that dock. So I guess now's as good a time as any. How you guys doing today? Thanks for stopping by. I'm Mike G. This is Largemouth Blast. Nice one. Look at the colors on him. If you guys have been liking the content, liking what I've been putting out, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And anytime I post something, you'll be notified. So we'll go ahead, get him back. What we were actually gonna do today is just get in here and run right to the back. We had a front come in today. It's rained for the first time in, I don't know, months, literally months. And what we're gonna do is just run to the back and kind of take advantage of what I think is gonna be a really good topwater day. But I've thrown this spinnerbait 2 times in a couple of places that I thought might be holding fish. And I caught one earlier right as I put the boat in. So maybe we'll just go ahead and work our way onto the back and see what we can do, because we got a little bit more time today than we usually do. All right, so we made it to the back where I think gonna have lots of action again today, and already we are seeing tons of fish working the top. So I think you know what that's gonna mean. I think we're gonna be having some pretty crazy topwater blowups. Let's see if we can get one right here, first cast, right where that's working, right there. Let's see. Oh, did you see that in the background? No way. Oh, look at that still. Oh yeah. With that storm that came through, aerate this water back here a little bit. Oh, guys, I'm about to run over there right now and catch that fish. All right, let me get over there. I'm gonna keep you guys rolling so you can see this. We're just gonna get right into it. That's 3 times that fish came out of the water for whatever it's chasing. All right, I don't need to get too close because I can cast this pretty far, but I also don't need to cast it a country mile. Let's see where that gets us. It should be pretty good. He was moving over to the left more. All right, let's get it over there where he was moving at. I told you guys we were gonna come up. No, stay down, stay down. Oh yeah, no, stay down. No, stay down. Come on, this is a decent fish. This is a nice fish. Whew. Come on, I hope I got it hooked good. Stay down, baby, stay down. No, it just came off. No, it didn't, it rolled through weeds. Oh, I don't know how well I have it hooked now. Oh, I think I got it hooked pretty well. Let's get this net. Come on. Oh, I'm feeling the hooks pop. Ooh, now it's got me dug down in the weeds. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna have to pull it up pretty hard. I'm pulling on it pretty good. No, I got her up, I got her up. Come on in here. Oh yeah. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Let's see how big it is. Oh, it's a nice fish, guys. That is a nice fish. Oh, look at that. That hook popped right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that fish. That fish is eating good. Yes, sir. Oh, what a little slob. That thing's, it's probably 3.25. It's short, but man, it's been eating good. Good deal. Let's go. All right. Baby, go head on and get on out of here. Oh, guys, look right there. Oh, no way. I just heard a big, here, let's get this one. Let's see. This would be cool. Let's see if we can go right into it. Get my, I'm using this, still using this chug and popper. Let me check my line real quick. All right, I got to retie, guys. I got a nick in it right here. Little quick tip for you is to use your lip to check your line. Your lip is real sensitive, and it'll be able to tell if you've got any nicks or micro abrasions in your line, and that's the last thing you want when you're out here trying to catch 4, 5, 6 pound bass. All right, I'll see you guys after I retie. All right, these bass are still working these bait fish over here. I just saw 2 fly out of the water. That is another nice one. That is a nice fish. Come on, stay down. Stay down, stay down. He swallowed that. I mean, violent strike. Come on, no, stay down. I hope I have him pinned well. He feels heavy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, man, he's pulling hard. Oh. Come on, be hooked well, be hooked well. It looks like a good fish, guys. We got him, yeah. Guys, that's another nice one. Oh man. Oh, that's a nice fish. Yes, sir. Look at that, look at that. Oh, we got him good on the back hook though. Oh, nice. Another nice fish. Oh, that is so cool. Oh yeah, good deal. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Let's get back after him. And I'm pretty sure I just saw movement over here again. Oh, he's up. Oh, that's a nice bass, guys. Did you guys see that fish? I think that was the second one. I don't think that was it. I gotta back up. I gotta back up and reset this real quiet. Did you see that fish? That's the fish that we came out here for tonight. Oh, come on. Wow. Let's go. Come on, he missed that twice. Oh man, he flipped my bait around backwards. Flipped my bait around the hook back. No, come on. Come on. He's there, he's there. He's right there. He's right there. There he is. No. Oh man. Man, I'm shaking. Come on. Come on. How did he miss all this? This is not a good cast. I need to get out over in front of these pads. I cannot be trying to haul a fish in like that on this setup. over those pads. It's just not gonna work. Not on this rod. All right, I'm over him. I don't think that's him. I think it's another one. Yeah, I don't think that's him. That's another nice fish though. I mean, trust me, I'm not complaining about this fish. This fish is another solid. Oh, baby, lift her up. I don't want to make too much noise either. This is not the fish, guys. Another nice. Let's go. That's awesome. But that is not the fish. That is not the fish. Let me check my line. All right, we're good. All right, it's been a good, I don't know, 10 minutes probably. And I've just heard him working this area again. Let's see if we can't get that big one. He missed it. He missed it again. Guys, are you serious with this? Look at this. I mean, this is ridiculous. He can't grab that. Now I'm probably too close. Oh, you are serious? He misses that 5 times out of 5 right there? No way. I gotta leave and come back again. This guy's aim's off. He's got to be out over the middle of this little channel. There's like 3 schools of bait fish out there working. There's that fish again, right in front of me. Let's see if we can get him to eat this. I mean, he was right in front of me. I feel like this is another, yes sir, it is another nice one. Come on, please be hooked good and stay down. Come on, baby. Oh, I feel like I just felt a hook pop. Oh, come on. Down in the weeds. Oh, guys, I did feel the hook pop. Oh, oh man. They're just I'm gonna have to switch to a smaller one. They're just not taking this one as good. Oh, that's killing me. I knew I felt that hook pop. He got me down into the weeds. And my other hook grabbed the weed and he was able to shake it. Oh, that's killing me. All right. Oh boy. There, look at that. Come eat this. Oh boy, just chasing these shad. I'm about to put that small popper on. He'd probably jam it if it was that small white one. All right, one more cast. I'm gonna switch and you guys are gonna see him eat this. Little bit of what we like to call match the hatch, but you know, I've been trying for these bigger fish and these bigger bass. So, yeah, I mean, I'm replicating just a bigger shad. But maybe that's why they're not really eating these too readily, because it's too big of a shad. So I'm gonna get this out, put it on, and we'll see if they eat it. Got him that time. Stay down, stay down. No, stay down. Stay down, but stay up out of those weeds. Ooh, I can feel those hooks popping. I don't feel a fish fighting anymore. All I'm feeling is weeds. Happened again. Guys, they're just taking me down and pulling me through the weeds. Maybe I need to put this on a stiffer rod so I can get them up and keep them up out of the weeds. Oh, that's the last 2 fish that's happened to me on. All right, guys, it's getting dark. We're gonna try this here a couple more times. Go on ahead and get out of here. If you guys have been enjoying the videos, enjoying the content, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe and notification bell. That way anytime I post something, you get notified. It's been an awesome day. Hope you guys enjoyed the weekend. I'm Mike G. This is Largemouth Blast, and we'll see ya.